Hi everyone. When you find it difficult to study because you find any subject boring, ask yourself, is it really boring or does it seem that way because I have presumed so by closing my mind to it? As G.K. Chesterton had once said, there are no boring subjects, there are only disinterested minds. To cope with this kind of situation, which students face sometime or the other, try to engage with the subject by asking yourself these questions. When was this technique or theory developed? Who developed it? What was the need for the same? What problem did it solve? How would the world be different today if not for this technique or theory? And then think about its applications. If you ask the right questions, you can make any subject interesting. Next, look for gaps in your understanding and try to fill those by exploring via discussing, asking, and reading. Try giving a mini presentation on this topic to a friend or classmate. You may do it in a formal way, or else you could simply talk informally to them about the topic. Your active participation will start engrossing you in the topic or the subject. This will not only enlighten you but also deepen your knowledge, thereby automatically enhancing your interest in it. You'll realize quickly if there are gaps in your understanding of the topic so that you may fill those, leading you to enjoy it now. Last but not the least, do your self-assessment yourself by trying to explain this concept to someone else and see how you feel. Albert Einstein had said this, what's worth $1 million? If you can't explain something very simply, you don't yet understand it well enough. Wow, what a statement. As you go through all of this introspection coupled with your self-confidence, you will be much better off with more and more understanding of where the problem lies, empowering you to figure out how to fix the same. Working hard and enjoying the subject together form a virtuous cycle and are actually the cause and effect of each other. The more you plunge into a subject, the better you understand it, which in turn serves as an incentive enough to study it even more. Follow this and convert your most dreaded subject or topic into your most favorite one. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and accomplish your study goals like an absolute cakewalk. Here's wishing you all the abundance. Stay progressing. We wholeheartedly thank you for watching our videos. See you next week, same time. Take care and bye.